traders. Welcome to EasyFX and binary trading. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use MT5 simulator for free. As some of you guys know, using it causing some problem. So we are going to see how we can use it without any problem. This video is divided by two sections. The first section is installing the MT5 simulator and the second section dedicated to troubleshooting and fixing the errors. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive in to the main part of the video. First of all, we have to open our MT5 terminal. I suggest opening a demo account and you can use any broker. Okay, open your data folder, MT5 data folder, and extract the files. After that, just do it as I did it on the video. First open the MQL5 folder, then send the file onto the advisors and delete all other advisors because we don't need it basically. So do everything as I did it. After replacing, close your MT5 terminal and reopen it. After reopening the simulator, just click on the expert advisor. All DWL imports, start it on disciple mode. And there's a problem, we can't download the data, so you have to download the data manually and paste it into your document folder. Let me show you where you have to paste it. I will share the link of the data in this video description, so don't worry, all the files will be in the video description. Let's start the simulation. I selected GBPJPY and as you can see the setting, the chart started successfully, and you can see the red lines and green lines are basically the event data, the calendar event. So we can turn it off and it's worked just fine on this pair. Let's fast forward it. Okay, after that the trade was successful. I just fast forward it. So let's close the pair. Let's find out what causes the problem. If we select gold and US dollar, let's select it and start the simulator as it is. Now we can see some error here. Let's find a solution for this problem. This solution is basically a very simple solution I have been working on, so I will show you how we can fix it. Close your terminal and restart your terminal. Start your simulator, and here's the basic part of this trade. Select date range. We have to select only 1 month of date. That's it. The simulation session is basically we will simulate 1 month, after 1 month, and after 1 month. That's it. As you can see, I selected the date, only 1 month. Just select it. The simulator works just fine on any pair, any settings. That's it. Good luck guys. If you find this video helpful, please Like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.